The DOOKAN LOFT Penthouse. First up, we have the DOOKAN LOFT Penthouse, the ultimate luxury tent that transforms camping into a first-class experience. This two-story tent boasts awnings and hammocks, creating a setup that feels more like a penthouse than a traditional tent. With its quick 15-minute setup, a single person can assemble the tent effortlessly. Designed to accommodate up to 4 people, this spacious tent features universal supports that make it suitable for various terrains, from snow to shallow water. The DOOKAN LOFT Penthouse can handle loads up to 300 kilograms, showcasing its durability and versatility. While the price of $2,750 on Kickstarter may seem steep, the luxury, comfort, and convenience this tent offers are worth considering for those who want to elevate their camping experience to a whole new level. Anker EverFrost Powered Cooler. Say hello to the Anker EverFrost Powered Cooler. This advanced cooler features 100-watt solar panels to keep your food and drinks cool while also charging your gadgets with its built-in 299-watt-hour battery. With convenient USB-A and USB-C connectors, you can easily charge your devices. The cooler's temperature can be adjusted as low as -20 degrees Celsius, allowing you to keep your perishables fresh and your drinks cold. Forgot your drinks in the sun? Just toss them in the cooler, and in only 30 minutes, they'll reach 0 degrees Celsius without ice. At a price of $800, the Anker EverFrost Powered Cooler is a game changer for outdoor enthusiasts who demand both reliability and innovation in their camping gear. Aquaforno, get ready for a culinary adventure with the 3-story Aquaforno stove. This all-in-one cooking tower combines a boiler, grill, smoker, oven, and rotisserie in a single unit, offering unmatched versatility for your outdoor cooking needs. Each level operates independently, but when stacked, they form a tower weighing just 18 kilograms. Assembly is a breeze, taking only 3 minutes, and it runs on wood briquettes, charcoal, or pellets. This ingenious stove was awarded the Camping Product of the Year in 2017 and is priced at $500. Whether you're camping, tailgating, or just enjoying a backyard barbecue, the Aquaforno stove elevates your culinary experience and allows you to prepare gourmet meals in the great outdoors. AROUNDFIRE. Next, let's check out the AROUNDFIRE table, an innovative fire pit that lets you cook over an open flame in just 30 seconds. The lightweight version weighs only 7.4 kilograms and is perfect for gatherings of up to 6 people. The steel mesh design ensures optimal airflow while shielding you from sparks. The table center is ideal for barbecues, making it a great choice for camping or backyard cookouts. Priced at $149, the AROUNDFIRE is an affordable and practical option for any outdoor cooking enthusiast. Advanced Elements Summer Shower. Meet the Advanced Elements Summer Shower, a gravity-operated portable shower that provides a refreshing outdoor shower experience without the need for cords, batteries, or fancy setups. On sunny days, the water heats up to 38 degrees Celsius in just 3 hours, allowing you to enjoy a warm shower in nature. The 19-liter version weighs only 600 grams when empty and includes towel straps, a compartment for your soap and shampoo, a mirror, and a temperature gauge. All this is available for just $36. Whether you're camping, hiking, or at the beach, the Advanced Elements Summer Shower is a must-have for those who enjoy a touch of comfort and hygiene in the great outdoors. EVOTRAIL. Say goodbye to heavy backpacks with the EVOTRAIL Smart Wagon. This electric wagon features an 800-watt motor, a reliable battery, and sturdy wheels, allowing you to haul up to 91 kilograms of luggage with ease. With one battery charge, you can travel up to 24 kilometers. The smart system adjusts to your walking speed, reaching a top speed of about 6 kilometers per hour. Priced at just $400 on Kickstarter, the EVOTRAIL offers hassle-free transport for your camping adventures. Whether you're hiking, camping, or exploring new terrains, the EVOTRAIL wagon provides a convenient and efficient way to transport your gear. Now ECOXGEAR Sound Extreme Sub 26. Next up, we have the ECOXGEAR Sound Extreme Sub 26. A powerful portable Bluetooth speaker that's perfect for outdoor adventures. Waterproof and resistant to dust and dirt, this speaker is ideal for boating, quad biking, or beach trips. With a robust 500-watt output, the speaker runs for around 20 hours on a full battery charge. It features 8 speakers, including 2 bass units on the sides, providing a full and immersive sound experience. The built-in microphone allows for hands-free calls, and Bluetooth 5.0 compatibility ensures smooth connectivity. While the price of $1,100 may seem high, the power and quality of this speaker make it a worthwhile investment for outdoor entertainment. Take your camping and outdoor adventures to the next level with the ECOXGEAR Sound Extreme Sub 26 speaker. Mars Players Prometheus 1. Meet the Mars Players Prometheus 1, a 2-in-1 flashlight and lighter. Both light sources are attached to a telescopic stand, allowing you to light up the area under your car's hood or illuminate your surroundings during nighttime activities. The flashlight battery lasts for 4 hours, ensuring you won't be left in the dark during your adventures. The lighter adds an extra layer of convenience for campfires and cooking. Priced at $149, the Mars Players Prometheus 1 is a straightforward, compact, and handy device for various scenarios. Whether you're camping, working on your car, or navigating a dark trail, this versatile gadget is a must-have for your outdoor toolkit. Drifter plus Boonedox Hammock Combo. With the Drifter plus Boonedox Hammock Combo, you no longer have to rely on trees to relax. This innovative combo allows you to set up your hammock anywhere. Priced at $300, the combo includes a versatile frame that weighs only 7.3 kilograms and can handle up to 159 kilograms. Set up your hammock on a park lawn, in shallow water, or in a clearing by a hiking trail. The rust-resistant aluminum frame is designed for comfort and durability. Whether you're seeking relaxation, enjoying nature, or taking a break on your outdoor adventure, the Drifter plus Boonedox Hammock Combo offers the perfect spot to unwind. Flicker Feather and Scout Feather. The Outdoor Element team has given survival knives a fresh twist with the Flicker Feather and Scout Feather knives. These knives offer a blend of practicality and innovation, making them essential tools for outdoor enthusiasts. Both knives come with a sheath that includes a diamond plate for blade sharpening and a ferrite rod with a 115 decibel emergency whistle on the lanyard. The Flicker Feather features a razor-light design with a 6.4 centimeter long and 1.9 centimeter wide blade, perfect for precision cutting. The Scout Feather offers a more familiar shape with a slightly longer 7 centimeter blade, allowing for versatile use. Crafted from VG10 steel, these knives are durable and efficient. Priced at just $75 for the pair, they are a valuable addition to any outdoor or survival kit. Shoal Tent. Imagine crafting the ultimate floating tent experience with the Shoal Tent. This innovative tent features a 15 centimeter thick floor that doubles as a comfortable mattress, while 3 separate air chambers provide safety and buoyancy. The square design measures 2.4 meters on each side, offering stability and space for campers. The package includes a bag of patches and a pump for easy setup and maintenance. Priced at $2,900, the Shoal Tent weighs 59 kilograms and delivers an exceptional and unique camping adventure. For those seeking an entirely new camping experience on water, the Shoal Tent is the perfect choice. NEMO Stargaze Reclining Camp Chair. Next up is the NEMO Stargaze trademark reclining camp chair, a clever rocking chair that offers ultimate comfort on any surface. Its low center of gravity provides excellent stability, while the chair's curved vertical supports and spacious headrests make it ideal for broad-shouldered individuals. The chair's automatic tilt system ensures continuous comfort by adapting to your movements. Constructed with aircraft aluminum, the frame handles loads up to 136 kilograms and is available in 5 colors. Get yours for $300 and enjoy a new level of relaxation on your camping trips. Whether you're stargazing by the campfire or enjoying a sunset by the lake, the NEMO Stargaze trademark reclining camp chair will make your outdoor experience more enjoyable. EMUK-Air Lift. Finally, we have the EMUK-Air Lift, a solution for leveling your camper or motorhome trailer for the perfect camping experience. Each pad can handle loads of up to 11 tons and provides an additional 20 centimeters of height for a level and stable setup. The rib design ensures that your vehicle's wheels won't slip, even on uneven or rocky surfaces. You can easily inflate the pads using a hand pump. Priced at $276 per pad, the EMUK-Air Lift is a game changer for campers looking to improve their setup and comfort. If you want to enhance your camping trips with a smooth and level camping setup, the EMUK-Air Lift is a must-have accessory.